Hello everyone, welcome back to Arpita's Tech Corner. Today we are going to learn about this gauge chart. If you need this working file, please check the description section of this video and you can find out the GitHub link from where you can download this working file. Before proceeding with some practical example, let us understand what is the purpose of this gauge chart. What is this gauge chart? A radial gauge chart has a circular arc and shows a single value that measures progress toward a goal or a key performance indicator. So, this is the one example I have placed here, and here you can find out this line. What is this line? This line or this needle represents the goal or target value. And what is the shading? The shading represents the progress toward the goal. The value inside the arc represents the progress value. So, Power BI spreads all possible values evenly along the arc from the minimum to maximum. Minimum to maximum. For example, if you have some requirement where you need to display this type of comparison between value and target, there you can use this gauge chart or the KPI visualization. Okay, so this gauge chart will give you some dial type of representation. Let us understand how we can do that. Okay, I have some values here. Just create one new page. Okay. So I've select this table view here and selecting this value field and this target field. So I have these two values. Okay. Now we are going to select this gauge view and we can find out all these properties: value, minimum value, maximum value, target value, tooltip, etc. Okay. First, selecting this value field. Now select this target field in the target value section. And here automatically it is taking some minimum value and this maximum value. If you want, you can add this minimum value here, also maximum value here. For example, if I am just selecting this value and use as a minimum, that is our minimum value, and use this target value, selecting this maximum. So this is our maximum target value. So from here you can observe this is our average target value and this is our average current value. And in this format section we have this color, this data label, target label, and this call out values. And in the general section we have the similar type of properties. Okay, so you can understand how we can use this gauge view in your project. Now in conclusion, we need to understand when to use a radial gauge view. These radial gauges are a great choice to show progress towards a goal, represents a percentile measure like a KPI, show the health of a single measure, and display information you can quickly scan and understand. I got this information from this portal. Now from this video, you understand how you can create this gauge visualization and when to use this visualization. And if you want this working file, please check the description section where you can find out the GitHub link. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and share with your friend. Thank you. Thanks for watching.